Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. Today we are live swatching some of the March collaborations for coloresdecarol, and I am so happy to share them with you. So if you enjoy live swatches, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. I will also have the sales info, availability, pricing caps down below for you. So just check out the description. And then we are going to go straight in with Polish Pickups offering. This one is called Lady G, and it's described as a white crelly with a subtle pastel purple shimmer to it, and magenta, neon pink, navy, green, blue, and aquamarine, as well as peach glitters in various shapes and sizes. This polish is going to be just $12.50. The cap is $450. Pre-order is available March 5th through 8th. And I like this polish mostly because it's such a fun party polish. You could use it and pair it with a whole bunch of other creams and it would work. Next up is March Hella Handmade Creations. This one's theme is Spider-Man and the inspiration is electro. The polish is called 10,000 watts, and the description is it's an olive green crelly with gold dust, gold flakes, green glitters, and yellow glitters, including triangles. This one is going to be just $12.50. The cap is 100 and the pre-order is March 14th through the 21st. So why I love this one is because it's so much fun and I like greens, but I am so picky about my greens. I think it's that hint of olive that works for me. But next up is Project Artistry. This one is described as a light pastel yellow crelly with multi-chrome shimmer, hollow dust, and iridescent chameleon flakes. So this one is called Sunset Escape. It will be $12.50. And if there is a cap, it will be announced later. I will update that as it becomes available to me so that you guys will know too. I love this one because it is so delicate. It is so subtle, and you really don't see the flakies unless you're looking for them. So, if you guys are in one of those like office settings where there's a person that worries constantly about how flashy your polish is, this is a good choice because it's so beautifully delicate that it's not going to be offensive to their very sensitive eyes. But for those of us who love nail polish, we'll be able to see those flakies, love them, and enjoy them for ourselves. So, really like this one. It's so subtle and pretty. But next up is this one's so pretty. So pretty. Okay, sorry, I can't get over it. It's so gorgeous. This one is for the Motherland collab, and it's described as a deep purple base with a multi-chrome shift, aurora shimmer, and iridescent chameleon flakies. It's called Adventure in Paradise. This one is going to be just $12.50. And the cap is to be announced as well. So I'll go ahead and put that down below as it becomes available to me. The pre-order is March 20th through the 23rd. And I'm just floored by this one because it's got that multi-chrome kind of vibe to it, but it also has these gorgeous flakies that offer up just the right amount of shift, and I am so stunned by it. I kept playing with it in the lighting and taking pictures, and then I decided to show you guys all of them next to each other so that you can kind of, pick which ones you're going to be looking out for because I think it's important. And then next up, we are going in with the Polished Gamers box. And this one is inspired by Prince of Persia, the computer game, and the theme is retro games remastered. So the description is a deep orchid pink crelly with multichrome shimmer and iridescent chameleon flakes. This one will also be $12.50. The cap is established at 100 and the pre-order will be March 15th through the 20th. So what I'm loving about this is clearly orchid is a color that I like. I like it pale. I like it rich because this one is rich and it's very bold. And I love how it just pops on my skin. It's going to be a fantastic summer polish. And then last, we have the charity box. And this one is so beautiful to me. Like, I just can't get over it. It's just, I love those sparkles. But I'm sorry, it's called The Lady with the Lamp. And I'm showing that the theme is strong women. The inspiration is Florence Nightingale. And the description is a super light gray with copper shimmer, aurora shimmer, gold and hollow dust, and iridescent chameleon flakies. This one will be $12.50 with no cap, and the pre-order is March 11th through the 20th. So, of course, my camera was like, this is too subtle for me. I'm just gonna dismiss it. So I decided to do like a close-up shot for you guys to see it next to the Polished Gamer box polish. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave me a like down below. Let me know if you plan on seeking any of these out during March. If you're part of my nail fam, thank you for your precious time. If you're new to my channel, I hope you'll consider subscribing. As always, take care of yourselves and each other, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!